In this lecture, we will learn how to use press pull command to create a 3D model. First, draw some sketch. Select press pull. Now, select the sketch and pull it downwards to create a 3D model. Now, select this circle and pull it downwards. Left click to exit. Draw a circle on this 3D model. Select this circle and press it downwards to subtract it from solid model. Left click. Now select this circle, press it downwards to subtract. Now you can see that it subtracted the circle from the solid model. Remember, by pressing we subtract the material and by pulling we add the material. Again, go to press pull. Select this face and pull it. Enter. Now select this face and pull it to add material. Select this face and select multiple. Now select the multiple faces which you want to pull. You can see that the multiple faces are pulled at same time. So this is the press pull command in AutoCAD.